everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am here today with this season's FabFitFun box. FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription box, so you don't get one every month. And for $49.99 a month, no, I always say that. For $49.99 a quarter, you get lifestyle, fitness, beauty items, full size, that they say will always be worth more than $200 retail. So let's see what's inside. I'll do the math for you at the end so you can get an idea what sort of value you're getting. It depends on what choices you make if you do customization. The one thing that I really like about the FabFitFun box that's different from all of my other boxes is the extensive amount of customization that you can do. And actually, despite the fact that I did go through the customization options on this box, which I don't do for my other boxes when I'm given the chance because I don't like to spoil the surprise. It's actually been a while, so I don't remember exactly what's in here, to be honest with you. So it'll still be exciting. So let's dig in. Let me show you how it's packaged. Like this. There is a full actual size magazine in here. And this is not just a product guide that tells you how to use the stuff you've got, but there are also features, usually some interviews with either models or creators of things in the box. And FabFitFun also gives you access to videos. So like here is the watch list. You get access to exercise videos, lifestyle videos. There's some cooking, some that are specifically about the items in the box and how to use them. So yeah, you get access to that and a community, I think, of commenters and like-minded individuals. Alright, let me manage my giant box. And I'm going to keep this magazine handy to refer to what the options you might have had in the box are. So let us see what I have chosen versus what other options might have been available. So the first thing is there's some cards with codes. There's one here for HelloFresh, a $60 gift card. There's a Share the Love card for a friend, for someone's first $10 off their first FabFitFun box. And this is a note about how one of the items that was on order did not live up to expectations, so they replaced it with some coasters, according to that. So the first thing I'm pulling out of here is the Mark and Graham color block throw in gray and ivory or natural and ivory. Well, it is a blanket. It is really soft. I was looking to see if it says what it was made out of, but it doesn't. Hand wash only. Acrylic. Oh, and it's so soft. I'm surprised it's acrylic. You see, I chose the kind of beige color because white blanket just seems like begging for trouble. But now I feel like the white one might have matched my Christmas decor a little bit better. My Christmas decor is a lot of white wintry things, so maybe I didn't think that through all the way. So the first thing is the blanket. And the next thing was a choice between a bear paw gloves and headband set or a Moroccan Gold Series treatment mask for your hair with argan oil and keratin. And it's right here. I chose the Moroccan Gold Series treatment mask. This is it right here. Pretty packaging. When I was choosing, it didn't, I couldn't see the ingredients, so I'm curious to find out if this has any sulfates, because I recently had the Brazilian blowout and I was cautioned against using products with sulfates in them because it shortens the life of the Brazilian blowout. And I'm not seeing anything. Nothing jumps out. I'll have to take a closer look later. I love the patterning work on the box here. It's really pretty. So this is a treatment mask, intense care for dry and damaged hair. Winter, hats on and off. I was thinking ahead with this one clearly. And also I just have a lot of gloves, so I didn't really want the bear paw set, which is where something like this comes in handy. So let's see. This was a three-way choice between the Oribe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo, an H. Halston Jewelry Portfolio, or a Lili Sidohi Silver Circle Necklace. This line right here. And I chose the Oribe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. Oribe products smell so good. This is huge. Like, it's like two of my head. This is a really big bottle. I knew it was full size, but I didn't know how big the full size would be. So there it is. I like Oribe dry shampoos. They smell amazing and they don't make my hair feel all sticky, so win. That's why I chose that. The next choice was between a pair of over-the-knee socks, a jade roller, or a pure eyeshadow palette. I have a jade roller. I chose the eyeshadow palette. Pure Be Your Selfie eyeshadow palette. And these are the colors. On the back there. This is the line I'm choosing between. And that was my choice. Let's see if I can open this and show you what the actual pan looks like. Okay, oh, shiny. So there's the front of the palette, and there's the colors. I was going to remove the plastic so you could really look, but it is taped down, so I can't do that quickly. The colors are called Pure, natural, free, charming, alluring, gorgeous, fabulous, strong, and confident. And there's 5 more shimmery shades and 4 mattes. So that's nice. It's got a mirror. It's a cute little palette. And to choose between a Way of Will Elevate Essential Oil Set, Sweet Orange and Eucalyptus Oil, or the Anthropology X-Mercy and Company Sea Whip Body Cream in Coconut Sugar. And I chose the Coconut Sugar Body Cream, reviving dull skin. It's a Sea Whip extract. I just really like coconut things, so that's why I chose this. And it's got a really cool, like hollow packaging, which I don't know how it's gonna respond to the lights. That's kind of a fun angle. I like the hollow packaging, that's pretty cool. And then it seems like these are the coasters that the choice was between a Bite Beauty lipstick, these coasters from Chic and Tonic, and these Brooke Burke body sliders. Maybe I chose the coasters, I'm not sure. It seems like the item they put in to replace it was a Wish Rose Hip and Lotus Firming Sleep Mask. There it is. Rose Hip, that's nice. And then the things that were included in every box are the last items here. The first one is the Thrive Cosmeceuticals Brilliant Eye Brightener in Stella. I have seen this particular eye pencil, just ads for it are all over Instagram, so not people talking about it, just ads for it. The next thing that is included in every box is the Hava Hydration Cream Mask for softening and smoothing skin. And the final item that's included in every box are the black hydrogel eye masks with hyaluronic acid. There's under eye patch mask. I'll show you the box. I'm going to take them out right now, so I will show you what they look like in this picture in the magazine. So they're the kind that stick on your eye, and they will sit right under here. Hyaluronic acid is awesome. And these also have activated charcoal. That's why they're black with a Q. So you leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. And it depuffs and makes you look refreshed. So there you have it. Are all of the items that were included in this season's FabFitFun box. I love them. It's great. I look forward to using them. They are great winter items. And I will do a tally of what everything combined value versus the cost of the box, which was $49.99. Coming right up. Thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed watching with me. My favorite thing in the box, in this box, I don't even know. I chose half of these things, so it's hard to say. This throw is really soft. Like, I wish you could feel it, y'all. It's really, really soft. So probably this. I'm gonna really enjoy cozying up on the couch underneath this. And yeah, so I'm kind of in love with this blanket. What was your favorite thing? What would you have preferred to get in the box? Would you have made different choices than I did? If you would, that's cool. Do you think it's better to have a box that has such a finely tuned customization process, or would you rather it be all surprises? I am somewhere in the middle. I love how much you can customize this box, and that's why I do it. Whereas with other boxes, I feel like the customization options aren't thorough enough. There aren't enough options to make me give up the surprise. It's just not enough customization to make it worth it to me. So I usually don't choose to. That said, I didn't remember what I was going to get in this box. I mean, I went and chose all of my items, and it was a while ago. So, I mean, I guess that's part of the benefits of a quarterly box, right? Yeah. I hope you tell me what your favorite item from the box was, and if you would have chosen something differently. And I hope that I see you again real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye. For more fabulous adventures of a girl and her box, click the playlist in the top left. To see what I get up to in life around here, click the playlist in the top right. I'll put my last FabFitFun box down in the corner, and don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the circular icon of my face.